Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change alliance in Dark War Survival. Changing alliances in Dark War Survival is a simple process and can be done at any time if you feel it's time for a new direction. Start by opening the Alliance menu and navigating to the Management section, where you will find the option to leave your current alliance after collecting any available rewards. Once you exit, you're free to browse the alliance list and choose a new group that fits your goals. Whether that's higher power, better activity, or stronger coordination, simply select the alliance you want and tap Join. Some alliances allow instant entry, while others may require approval from the leader. After joining, you'll immediately gain access to their events, bonuses, and teamwork opportunities, making alliance switching a smooth way to improve your overall progression in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.